Good afternoon. Welcome to our daily earnings season special. We had been hoping to bring you the Netflix numbers, but they are not out just yet. Remember, we're looking at earnings per share of 50 cents on revenues of $5.45 billion, with net subscriber additions up at 7.6 million, split with 7 million from international markets and 0.6 million from the US. Key thing looking forward to these Netflix numbers are to what extent competition is starting to bite, whether or not that's actually in the Q4 numbers, or probably more importantly, what's the guidance like for 2020 in terms of competition outlook from Disney, Apple, HBO Max, NBC Universal, to name some of the chief ones. But otherwise, we've had Halliburton reporting earnings, a bit better than expected. Oilfield, that's our oilfield services provider. In the UK, we've had some interesting numbers from EasyJet and Dixon's Carphone. Dixon's Carphone, the electricals retailer, enjoying a 2% rise in electricals sales. Big flat screen TVs doing the business for Dixon's over the Christmas period. Its shares were up around about 5%. It's bounced back after really a troubled couple of years. Shares yet to really recover those sort of levels that we saw over 2 years ago, though. The slowdown in consumer in the replacement cycle of mobile phones has been a key thing, whilst consumers have been a bit reticent to splash out on big ticket items like these large screen TVs or washing machines and so on. So better numbers from Dixon's Carphone. EasyJet also on the up. It's reported better than expected first quarter numbers over that sort of slow Christmas period, the slow winter period. It expects the net loss for the first half of the year to narrow. It was £275 million last year. It expects it to do better this year. FX movements, which had been a headwind last year, now seen as a positive, contributing as much as £70 million additional headline profit before tax for the full year, that is. So they actually see revenue per seat rising in the mid to high single digits, having previously guided for that to rise in the low to middle single digits. So better numbers from EasyJet. It's benefited from the collapse of Thomas Cook. It picked up £36 million worth of slots from Heathrow, Gatwick and Bristol. Significant and lucrative slots that had been occupied by Thomas Cook have gone to EasyJet, and we did see that upgrade from Ryanair just a few days ago as well. So it does rather look like that 2019 story for the airlines has sort of played out as expected, that 2019 was the period of peak demand uncertainty, the point at which we just didn't really see the demand would be weak and supply was too high. There was still too much capacity, but things are looking better now into 2020 for the airlines. Fuel costs, of course, remain a problem if oil prices continue to march higher. But otherwise, those are the sort of chief companies that have reported today. So Dixon's Carphone and EasyJet at the top of the FTSE today. And then Netflix numbers on just coming out, but not quite out yet. Just a new update there. Zebra Technologies core Needham has raised its price target to $275 from $255. That's it for now. We'll be back later for our Walk on Wall Street. Thanks for watching.